Okay guys, I hope you're right. Here we go for a new video about Jiu Jitsu. So guys, we're gonna talk about a big subject. I have a lot of students and most of them are asking me some question about Jiu Jitsu, of course. But as you may know, I'm also a fitness trainer, so I know about a lot of stuff about training people. I used to train people in France, but also here in Bali, Indonesia. So the subject of this video is about how to be better with your physical ability and how to strengthening, but with a smart way to be good with Jiu-Jitsu. Not silly things, because silly things are bad for Jiu-Jitsu and you waste time. So I'm gonna help you to saving time for Jiu-Jitsu, guys. Are you ready? Let's go. First of all, you need to understand what it happened during the Jiu-Jitsu fights. A lot of things happen. So because of that, you need to be like really complete, because if you don't, you're gonna lose your fight. So guys, you need power, endurance, stability, and strength. A lot of things, right? Because you can fight bigger guy or faster guy or flexible guy, all that stuff. So you always need to be prepared, right? Of course, in Jiu-Jitsu, people say, no, size doesn't matter, all that stuff, but that's wrong. It matters. It matters, guys. You need to work on your cardio, okay? It looks like silly, super basic stuff, but you need to work on it for a lot of reasons. Because even if you're tactical, technical, strong, and whatever you are, you're gonna use a lot of energy, a lot of strength. You're gonna attempt to doing like submissions, try to attempt some sweeps. Hey guys, also in my opinion, do more like light sparring, light roll, because you will be able to move more and learn more and just work about position. In my opinion, work first about position first, understanding the position. Just try to create connection and transition, and you will be better, and you have at the same time a better cardio. Work on your cardio, but also with your mind. So your first goal is here. Okay guys, let's talk about the strength. Strength, when you apply the strength in the fight, you apply in some situation. Like I want to hold someone, or I want to lock in a certain position. When I feel I have the submissions and I don't want to run after the guy because I have a super good position, and now I decide to end up the fight like this. So I'm gonna apply a certain strength to lock the body of my partner or joints and all that stuff, and apply a lever or a choke, so somehow a pressure to finish the fight. Also, the strength will help you for escape some situation, obviously, okay? If you're really strong enough, you can save time. So what happens if you're strong enough? When you're really strong enough, it's like your opponent is not like he's scared of you, but he knows there are some options or a couple options. You will maybe, or it doesn't work on you because you're strong enough. So work on your basics. Squats, deadlifts, pull-ups, rowing with the bar, okay? All that stuff, that's super nice for your back, okay? And bench press. First, work on it, okay? And all the variation of this heavy compound movement. Keep working on your back, because we're gonna use a lot of back muscles, also for defending, but also for attacking. I need to be able to have a good rowing power and motion for pull the guy. For attacking, imagine I just grab the arm, but now I need to pull the guy and just maintain the arm in the spot, in the angle I want, okay? So I need strength for keeping everything tight to me. Also, when I'm doing my strength workout, I'm doing a lot of isolation or isometric stuff. Like I'm doing like my sets, and after I'm doing my sets, I just stay 15 seconds or 30 seconds in the same position. I try to squeeze, and keep everything tight. And it helped me to get stronger and stronger and stronger. So you can apply this, and it will work, and it will help you for sure. And another thing is really good about doing bench press. It will help you because you work also on your pushing motion, but also with your chest. It will help you to squeeze your opponent for doing chokes. And you know, guys, I really love chokes. So work on it. Keep working on your bench press, on your chest, okay? And all that stuff, because when you're gonna press, the guy, he will feel something. Trust me. So thank you very much for watching. Comment, like it, subscribe. Put it some flames if you want to see my workout, okay? Down below in the comments. And I wish you a good day. See you next time, guys. Peace.